Host holding the Household 202 Mini Sewing Machine. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to review the Household 202 Mini Sewing Machine, a handheld, lightweight sewing machine perfect for beginners and DIY home projects. Let's dive in. Cut to close-up of the machine. This compact sewing machine is designed to be portable and easy to use. It features a built-in light, adjustable speed control, and is ideal for quick repairs or small sewing tasks around the house. Show the machine in action, threading, and sewing fabric. One of the biggest advantages is its simplicity. It's super easy to set up. Just pop in the batteries, thread it, and you're ready to go. The built-in light helps you see clearly, even in low-light conditions. Highlight the speed control knob. The speed control is great for beginners. You can start slow to get the hang of it, then increase the speed as you become more confident. It's perfect for small projects like hems, crafts, or mending clothes. Showcase different fabrics or small sewing projects. While it's not meant for heavy-duty sewing, this mini machine handles lightweight fabrics like cotton, felt, and craft materials really well. It's a fantastic tool for quick fixes and creative DIY projects. Discuss pros and cons. Pros: compact and lightweight. Easy to operate, built-in light, adjustable speed control. Great for beginners and small projects. Cons: limited to lightweight fabrics, not suitable for large or heavy sewing tasks. Host with the machine. So, if you're looking for an affordable, easy-to-use sewing machine for small projects or beginner sewing, the Household 202 Mini Sewing Machine is a solid choice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews. Happy sewing!